Hi. I'm Kyle from the Mario Sonic Polygon Show. At Chew. Uh-oh. At Chew. Oh, or Chew. Oh no! My nose is broken. Why? That, wasn't me. No, that wasn't me. Wow. Hey. That's it, I'm done. Like and subscribe for part 2.